Good morning, students. Today we will do further part of exercise 4.1. Yesterday we have done question number first, constructed a quadrilateral ABCD, and now we will do question number third. And we have to construct in this question a parallelogram MORE. Here three sides were given: OR equal to 6 centimeter, RE equal to 7.5 centimeter, EO equal to 7.5 centimeter. So you are thinking about that. I explained that in a quadrilateral, if we are constructing a quadrilateral, we need at least 5 sides or 3 sides to adjacent angle or anything. Now that means we need 5 things, but there is only 3 things are given. So we know that about the parallelogram. See, what is the parallelogram? Parallelogram, that means opposite sides are equal, and that means these two sides are equal and these sides are equal. That means this is equal to this and this is equal to this. Opposite sides are equal. And one more thing, in parallelogram opposite angles are also equal. So suppose in rough sketch we have to construct a parallelogram MORE. So here suppose that MORE is a parallelogram where OR equal to 6 centimeter. So its opposite side ME also equal to 6 centimeter, and RE, that means this one, no, RE is 4.5 centimeter. So this one is 4.5 centimeter. That means OM, which is opposite to RE, which is also of 4.5 centimeter. And one more thing is given there, EO equal to 7.5 centimeter. So where is EO? There. That means the diagonal of this parallelogram. So diagonal of this parallelogram is 7.5 centimeter. So we have to construct a parallelogram in the basis of this rough sketch. Okay. So first of all, we have to make a draw OR equal to 6 centimeter. So by the help of scale, we are doing OR equal to 6 centimeters. So I am making a straight line segment of 6 centimeter and name is as OR, and this is of 6 centimeter. Here now what we have, another thing which is given, RE is equal to this OR we used this side. Now RE equal to 4.5 centimeter. So where is RE? RE is upside of R. So from R we have to take an arc of 4.5 centimeter. So measure in a compass an arc of 4.5 centimeter and cut an arc upside of R. Okay. Now I am taking little bit longer arc because we can't say that where will be the point E. Okay. So now RE equal to 4.5 centimeter, which is given. So I cutted an arc from R of 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Now there is one more thing is, since E is a point which we have to find there, so E is anywhere from there to there. Okay. So third measurement which is given, EO, that means OE equal to 7.5 centimeter. So we have to take an arc of 7.5 centimeter to cut an arc on previous cutted arc. So I am taking a measurement of 7.5 centimeter. Is it visible to all? Hope it is. So from point O I am cutting an arc on previous cutted arc. Okay. Of how much length? Of 7.5 centimeter. So we got a point there. Name this point as E, because OE equal to 7.5 centimeter and RE equal to 4.5 centimeter. We taken these two arcs to get this point. So we have to write the steps of construction also. So I am writing there steps of construction. So in first step, what we have done, in first step we have draw OR equal to 6 centimeter. First step done. So from second step, what we have done, from point R we have taken an arc of 4.5 centimeter, such as RE equal to 4.5 centimeter. So RE equal to 4.5 centimeter. From point R, RE equal to 4.5 centimeter, cut an arc on upside of OR. OR के अपसाइड में अपन लोगों ने एक आर्क कट किया. नाउ इन थर्ड स्टेप, from point, which point is there? O. From point V, OE equal to how much is given there? 7.5 centimeter. Cut an arc on previous cutted arc to get point. Which point we get after this two? After these two arcs intersection, we get point E. So from point O, OE equal to 7.5 centimeter, cut an arc on previous cutted arc to get point E. Clear till there? Okay. Now we have 3 points of a quadrilateral find it. Now one more point which we have to find. So if RE equal to 4.5 centimeter is there, then OM or MO is also 4.5 centimeter, because this is a parallelogram. So take an measurement of 4.5 centimeter in your compass by the help of a scale of 4.5 centimeter and cut an arc of upside from point O. Okay. Now we got a point M there? No, because we don't know where is M. From there to there, M is anywhere. So to exact the point M, exact finding the point of M, what we have to do, we have to take one more arc from E to M, because if OR is equal to 6 centimeter, then the opposite side is ME. OR equal to 6 centimeter, so its opposite side is ME, which is also of 6 centimeter. So take an arc of 6 centimeter. I taken an arc of 6 centimeter from point E, put the pointer of the compass there on point E and cut an arc on previous cutted arc. So you get the point M here. Okay, so all the 4 points which we want, we founded MORE. Now we have to write the steps. So in the fourth step, what we have done, we have from point E, ME equal to 6 centimeter, and from point O, also we have taken an arc. First we have taken an arc from point from point E and point O. That means these 2 points, from these 2 points we taken an arc and cutted that point to get M. So from point E we taken an arc of 6 centimeter. Okay, and from point O we taken an arc of 4 centimeter, such as MO equal to 4 centimeter. Cut arcs to get point M. हम लोगों ने इस पॉइंट से यहाँ पे एक आर्क कट, सॉरी यहाँ पर एक आर्क कट किया 4 सेंटीमीटर का, और इस पॉइंट ई से एक आर्क और कट किया, वो था 6 सेंटीमीटर का, जिससे अपन को एक इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट मिला जिसका नाम हम लोगों ने एम दिया. नाउ सी व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू मैच ऑल दिस पॉइंट्स. सो वी मैच्ड फ्रॉम आर टू ई टू एम और एम टू ई, and lastly we have to match M to O. Match all these to get the parallelogram. And last we have to match one more thing, O to E, which because EO is given there 7.5 centimeter and RE equal to 4.5 centimeter, which are given. So these two sides are equal of 6 centimeter, and this side are of equal to 4.5 centimeter. So in the fifth step, what we have done, match or join points. Which points we were joining? M to O, R to E, and M to E to get a parallelogram. In the place of parallelogram, I am writing this parallel lines and GM, which is the short form of parallelogram. You also can write this. Okay, so that much for the today. Do question number 4 as it is, because there is the we have to use the property of rhombus. So you all know what is rhombus and what is the property of rhombus. Okay, so from tomorrow we will do this topic when two diagonals and three sides are given.